In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters when searching on Zillow desktop. Let's get started right from the homepage. Open your preferred web browser and head to Zillow.com. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the large search bar front and center. That's where you'll begin narrowing your search to the area you care about. Click into the search bar and type a city, neighborhood, zip code, or a specific address. Press Enter to load results for that area. Zillow will show you a map on one side and a list of matching homes on the other. This split view is helpful because you can scan properties while also seeing exactly where they are located. Above the map and the list, you'll find the main filter bar. This is where you dial in your preferences so the results match what you actually want. Start with price. Set a minimum and maximum that reflects your budget. If you're not sure, give yourself a little wiggle room so you don't accidentally hide great options just outside a tight range. Next, open beds and baths. Choose the minimum number of bedrooms and bathrooms that fit your needs. If you're debating between two sizes, choose the lower minimum to see more possibilities, then refine later if the list is still too long. Move over to home type. Here you can include or exclude property types such as houses, condos, and townhomes. If you're only interested in one type, uncheck the rest to keep your results focused and avoid scrolling past places you'd never consider. You'll also see listing type. This lets you control what categories of listings appear, such as standard agent-listed homes versus other types like foreclosures. If you only want traditional listings, adjust this so you're looking at homes most relevant to your buying or renting plan. For deeper control, click the More button in the filter bar. This expands advanced options that can dramatically refine your search. Set square footage if you want a minimum interior size. Add a lot size range if outdoor space matters. If the age of the home is important, use year built to focus on newer or older properties. There's also a keywords field. Type features like fireplace or pool to surface homes that mention them. You can also select amenities and other specific features in this section to match your must-haves. As you apply filters, the map and list update automatically. If things get too narrow, remove a filter or broaden a range. When the results look right, you're ready to explore individual listings with confidence.